Ready to ditch financial confusion and start building your wealth with ease? First, download the Wealthsimple app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, tap to open it and hit sign up. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a strong password, so make sure it's something secure. Next up, you'll need to provide some personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social insurance number. This is standard practice for financial institutions in Canada, ensuring your account is secure and compliant with regulations. Now, the exciting part: choosing your account type. Wealthsimple offers a variety of options like the tax-free savings account (TFSA) and the registered retirement savings plan or RSP for tax-advantaged saving, as well as personal investment accounts and the new first home savings account (FHSA) for aspiring homeowners. Select the one that best suits your financial goals. To personalize your investment strategy, Wealthsimple will guide you through a risk assessment. Answer honestly to determine your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with potential ups and downs for higher returns? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach? With your account set up, you can start exploring investment options. Wealthsimple offers a wide range of stocks and ETFs, allowing you to build a diversified portfolio that aligns with your interests and goals. Use the search bar to find specific companies or browse different sectors. Making a trade is simple. Select the stock or ETF you want to buy or sell, enter the amount, and review your order before confirming. Wealthsimple offers fractional shares, so you can invest in companies even if you don't have enough to buy a full share. Finally, keep track of your investments through the portfolio section. Monitor your portfolio's performance, review your asset allocation, and make adjustments as needed. Wealthsimple also provides helpful insights and educational resources to help you stay informed about your investments. Happy investing!